Hello and welcome to Cloud Express. Today we will talk about AWS auto-scaling feature called Instance Refresh. Great advantage of cloud is an availability of disposable infrastructure. Nowadays teams prefer to spin up a new instance whenever there is a change to application configuration or underlying OS needs to be patched. AWS Auto-Scaling Groups provides way to deploy immutable infrastructure and helps to maintain application availability through a rich feature set. Instance Refresh is one such feature which allows updates to running application or infrastructure without causing any downtime. Before Instance Refresh was introduced, custom solutions had to be implemented to refresh the immutable infrastructure. But now Instance Refresh does most of the heavy lifting and users don't have to implement custom solutions. Instance Refresh comes handy when any configuration changes requires users to replace instances and there are a large number of instances in the auto-scaling group. It is very easy to build automation on top of API provided to perform Instance Refresh. It can also be used when new Amazon machine image or new version of user data script needs to be deployed. Users need to create a new version of the launch template upon deciding to make changes to their immutable infrastructure. As part of starting an instance refresh, user can specify the minimum healthy percentage of instances to maintain at all times. This is essential to avoid downtime during instance refresh process. Instance warm-up is the time period when new instance comes into service to when it can receive traffic. After instances are detected as healthy, auto-scaling group waits for warm-up period before moving to next instance. Checkpoint is a point in time where the instance refresh pauses for a specified amount of time. Users can add multiple checkpoints during instance refresh and they can also choose to receive notifications after reaching each checkpoint. Users can completely avoid complexity of custom solutions to deploy updates to their infrastructure by automating most of the activities. Here is the sample workflow which shows steps to deploy updated AMI. New AMI can be baked using existing tools like Packer or services like EC2 Image Builder. Once the new AMI is ready, next step is to update the launch template. This step can be automated by invoking Lambda function whose job will be to retrieve the new image ID and create new version of the launch template. Subsequently, instance refresh can be triggered by invoking API available through AWS CLI or SDK. Thank you for watching. Please help to share and subscribe and press the bell icon for notification about the new videos from Cloud Express.